Students, so here it is your Arka Sir. So I have come with a fresh new episode from the topic trigonometry. So I have uploaded two chapters before and also have given you some homework. So today I will solve the homework which I have given in the previous episode. So if you want to get continuous video, then subscribe my channel Physics Scholar and practice the sum as much as possible at your home. So without further delay, let us start the solve of the things. So it is sec theta given and we have to prove this. So this is equal to this. That means the answer is given. Now we have to prove this. Very easy sum. So sec theta is equal to 17 by 8 is equal to sec theta is opposite of cos. That means cos is base by hypotenuse. So it will be hypotenuse by base. So let the common multiple be x. So hypotenuse is equal to 17x, base is equal to 8x. So what you can write? 17x and 8x. So perpendicular is equal to root over Pythagoras theorem minus 8x square. So 289 x square minus 64 x square. That means 5 2 x square. That means 15x. So that is perpendicular. Now what we have to find? Sine, cos and tan. That means sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. That means 15x by 17x. 15 by 17. Okay. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is base? 8x. By hypotenuse 17x is equal to 8 by 17. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 15x. 15x by base means perpendicular by base. Base means 8x is equal to 15 by 8. So now let left hand side, what is given? 3 minus 4 sine square theta divided by 4 cos square theta minus 3. So 3 minus 4 into sine theta means what? 15 by 17. 15 by 17 whole square divided by 4 into cos theta. Cos theta means 8 by 17 square minus 3 is equal to what we can write? 3 minus 4 into 225 by 289 whole divided by 4 into 64 by 289 minus 3. Clear? Now 289 will be the LCM. Minus 225 into 4 means 900 divided by 289 minus okay is equal to what? Minus 289 will be cancelled divided by minus 1 6. So that means what? 33 by 611. So that is 36 by 611. Okay. So this is the left hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side what? 3 minus tan square theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So 3 minus what is the value of tan theta? 15 by 8. 15 by 8 whole square divided by 1 minus 3 into 15 by 8 whole square. 3 minus 225 by 64 divided by 1 minus 3 into 225 by 64 is equal to 64 will be the LCM. Divided by 64 will be the LCM. Okay. So what is coming? Now let me rub this one. Let me rub this one. This part. So I am writing it once again. 192 minus 225 by 64 whole divided by 64 minus 675 by 64. So this will be cancelled. So 3 minus 3 divided by 1 1 6. Okay. So this will be cancelled. That means 33 by 611. So see, left hand side is coming 33 by 611. Right hand side is coming 33 by 611. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. So students, very basic sums we have done. First, sec theta is given. We have to prove this is equal to this. So only we are finding the cos theta and tan theta and the value of sin theta. Now we are putting the value of sin theta and cos theta in the left hand side and finding the value is coming how much? 33 by 611. And the right hand side the same value is coming 33 by 611. So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hope you already solved the sum. If you couldn't, then you can see this. So let us move to the next sum. Here the second sum that I have given as your homework. If you can see my previous episode, you will find this was the second sum as your homework. So ABC is the triangle. So angle A is equal to theta. This sum was given exactly 90 degree B angle B. This is the right angle triangle. Then C is equal to phi. This is the measurement of the angle. Phi is nothing but the value, any unknown value of this angle. Okay. So BC is equal to what? X it is given, and AC is equal to x plus 2 given. Now we have to find the t values. So that we will consider later. So first what we have to do? We have to find the length of the side of the triangles. Now two sides are already given. Two sides are already given. So we don't know the base. Okay. So what is given? AC. AC is equal to x plus 2. BC is equal to x. So AB is equal to what? Root over, this is what? 90 degree. So this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So AC square minus BC square. BC square. So what is AC? X plus 2 whole square minus x square. So x square minus 2ab plus b square minus x square. So it will be 4x plus 4. 2ab x square minus 2 into a into b, that means 4x, plus b square means 4 minus x square. So x square is equal to 4x plus 4 is equal to, if we take 4 common, x plus 1, that means 2 into root over x plus 1. So this value is what? 2 into root over x plus 1. So now we get the three values. Now we have to find the value. Three sums are given. So cot phi. Now see carefully. Cot phi. We have to find this value, we have to first find the value of cot phi, right? So now cot phi. Cot phi. Phi means this angle. So with respect to this, we will find. So cot means what? Reciprocal of tan. Tan means perpendicular by base. So cot means what? Base by perpendicular. Clear? So base by perpendicular. So it is phi means this angle. So now this will be the base and this will be the perpendicular. If it is with respect to theta, then this will be the base and this will be the perpendicular. But it is respect to this angle phi, so this will be the base. So what will be the base here? BC. And what will be the perpendicular here? AB. Okay. So BC by AB. So what is the value of BC? Value of BC, that means what? X divided by value of AB means what? 2 into root over x plus 1. So sum number 1, what is that? Root over x plus 1 into cot phi. So what we can write? Root over x plus 1 into what is the value of cot phi? Cot phi is what? X by 2 into root over x plus 1. So this will be cancelled. So it will be x by 2. So that is the solve of the sum number A. Okay. So x by 2. Now sum number B, tan theta. Sum number B, we have to find tan theta. Theta means which angle? This angle. So respect to this angle, tan theta means what? Perpendicular by base. It will not be the reciprocal of this because it is phi and it is theta. So this is what? With respect to this angle, this is base and this is perpendicular. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular will be BC. What is base? AB. So what is the value of BC? X. By what is the value of AB? 2 into root over x plus 1. Okay. So what is given? Very easy. Root over x cube plus x square into tan theta. So what will be common here? X square common, then x plus 1 into tan theta means x divided by 2 into root over x plus 1. So x will be outside. So x into root over x plus 1 into x divided by 2 into root over x plus 1. This will be cancelled. That means what? X square by 2. So this is the solution of sum number B. So first you see, I have to rub this one. Okay, I have to rub sum number and yes, here it can be done. Okay, see cos theta, only cos theta. Cos theta means what? With respect to this. Theta means this angle. So cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. So student, what is base here? What is base? Base means AB by hypotenuse means AC. So what is AB? AB means 2 into root over x plus 1 divided by AC means x plus 2. It is given. So that will be the value of cos theta. 2 into root over x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So this is the solve of the three sums. The value of this, so I am explaining once again. Two angles are given, theta and phi. So cot phi means with respect to this. That means if we just rotate the triangle in this side, so this will be the base with respect to this angle and this will be the perpendicular and this will be the base. So base will be what? Base by perpendicular. Okay. So base will be here BC, perpendicular will be AB. So this will be the value. Tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular by base with respect to this angle. So this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base. Okay. So this is coming. So what is given, we are writing and putting the value of tan theta, this is coming. Okay. And cos theta. Cos theta means with respect to this. Okay. That means base by hypotenuse. So base is what? AB by hypotenuse is AC. So this is coming 2 into root over x plus 1 by x plus 2. So students, hope you understand this sum. So without further delay, let us move to the next sum. Students, so this is the another sum. So cot A plus 1 by cot A is equal to 2. We have to find out the value of cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. So what is left hand side? It is not left hand side, we have to find the value only. So it is what? Cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. So what the formula? A plus B, B whole square minus 2 A B. What is the formula? A square plus B square, it is A square plus B square, so A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Okay. So now what is the value? Cot A plus 1 by cot A 2. 2 square minus this will be cancelled 2. So that means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So that will be the answer. So this sum has come in CBSE exam class board. Okay, 10 level. So only 3 to 4 line sum. Clear? So A square plus B square means A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So cot A plus 1 by cot A is equal to 2 is given. So 4 minus 2. So 2 will be the answer. So let us move to the next sum. So students, here I have given as your homework sum number 4. If root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta, we have to find out the value of sin theta. So it is very easy. Okay, so what is given? Root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. Clear? Now tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3 sin theta. Tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 3. This will be what? Root 3 will be there only. Root 3 sin theta. Sin theta will be cancelled. That means cos theta is equal to root 3. Okay. So sin theta, tan theta is equal to this. So tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is equal to root 3. That means cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. 1 by cos theta is equal to root 3. So cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore sin theta what? Root over 1 minus cos square theta. How? Because we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. We are neglecting the minus value. Now we know the value of cos theta, 1 by root 3. That means what? Root over 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 will be the LCM. 3 minus 1. Root over 2 by 3. That will be your answer. So students, you see, very easy. So here root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sin theta. So tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3. If we simplify it, then it will be root 3 sin theta. So tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 3 sin theta. Sin theta will be cancelled. So 1 by cos theta is equal to root 3. So cos theta will be 1 by root 3. So sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Why? Because we know the value sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Now the cos square theta value of cos theta is root 3, 1 by root 3. So cos square theta is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square. So after calculating, it is coming root over 2 by 3. So hope you have understood this. So it was given as your homework. So now let us move to the next sum. Students, this is the last sum of your homework that was given. If 1 plus sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta, we have to prove tan theta is equal to 1 or half. Okay. So that means what? The answer is given. Clear? Now what is that? What is given? 1 plus sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Now let divide both sides with cos square theta. Why? Because then tan is coming. Okay. That means what? 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to 3 sin theta into cos theta divided by cos square theta. So 1 by cos square means what? Sec square theta plus sin by cos means what? Tan, that means here square tan square theta. Okay. Is equal to what? This and this will be cancelled. So 3 tan theta. What is the formula we know? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to what you can write, 1 plus tan square theta, that we can write instead of sec square theta, because we have to find out the tan value. Okay, so instead of sec square theta we can write what, 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. That means what, 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now the middle term factor, 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 tan theta common, so it will be 1 minus, it will be tan theta minus 1 common, tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. That means this and this will be common now. So that means what, tan theta minus 1 into 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So what we have to write? What we have to write now? If, that means the product of the two factors, if the product of two factors are 0, then either any of one of them must be equal to 0. That you can write, that you have to write, otherwise some marks may be cut. So if the product of two factors are 0, then either any of one of them must be equal to 0. That means what, either tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or tan theta is equal to 1, or what, 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore tan theta is equal to half. That means what is the answer? Tan theta is equal to 1 or half. That you have to prove here, proved. Clear? So very important sum for the exams. So 1 plus sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta. We have to divide both the side by cos square theta. So 1 by cos square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta. So it will be sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 3 tan theta. So sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. How we are coming? How it is coming? I have shown over there. Plus tan square theta 3 tan theta. So it is coming 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are doing the middle term factor over here. Okay. So it is coming tan theta minus 1 to 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to write what? If the product of the two or more factors are 0, then either of them must have to be 0. Then either tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, tan theta is equal to 1, or 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or tan theta is equal to half. So this is the sum. So students, I hope all the 5 sums you have understood, which I have given as your homework. So now let us move to do some fresh sums. Okay students, now here a fresh sum for today's lesson. So if angle A is equal to angle B are acute angles, then such that sin A is equal to sin B. Two triangles are there, angle A is equal to angle B and sin A is equal to sin B. We have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. So let us draw the triangle. We have to prove this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Or better give the things like this: A C D, B E F. Okay. Now see what is given: sine A is equal to sine B. So sine A, that means with respect to this angle. Okay, sine A, what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular means CD by hypotenuse means AD is equal to sine B, means with respect to this angle, this triangle. Then it is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is EF divided by hypotenuse is FB. Clear? So I am describing sine A is equal to sine B. So sine A, that means what? Respect to this angle, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is CD by hypotenuse is what? AD. Okay, or DA, whatever. And sine B means this angle, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is EF and hypotenuse is FB. Clear? Now we are shifting this: CD by EF is equal to AD by FB is equal to say X. Say. So what you can write? CD is equal to X into what? EF, and AD CD is equal to this, and AD is equal to X into FB. Clear? Now this divided by this, what we can write? CA divided by EB. So how you can find out the value of CA? Perpendicular square minus hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So what is that? Root over AD square minus CD square whole divided by EB means what? FB square minus EF square. So what is the value of AD? AD means X into FB. So it will be what? Root over X square into FB square minus what is the value of CD? X into EF. X square into EF square whole divided by root over FB square minus EF square. Now this X will be come out, X into root over FB square minus EF square whole divided by root over FB square minus EF square. This will be cancelled, is equal to X. So see, so what? CD by EF is equal to AD by FB is equal to what? CA by EB is equal to X. Both are equal. That means what? CD by EF, this divided by this, then AD by FB, AD by FB, this divided by this, then CA by EB, this divided by this. That means the ratio of the sides, okay, of the triangles, okay, the perpendicular, base, hypotenuse are same. That means what? Triangle ACD will be concurrent to triangle BEF. Then easily, if these two triangles are concurrent to each other, then angle A is equal to angle B. That is proved. So very much important sum for the examination. Little bit tricky. So if the two angles A and B are acute angles such that sine A is equal to sine B, so ACD and EE and BEF, you can, A and B you have to take, this you can change any name. So sine A is equal to sine B. So sine A means what? This perpendicular by hypotenuse we have written, and sine B means perpendicular by hypotenuse we have written. We are shifting, interchanging these two. So CD by EF is equal to AD by FB is equal to x. So CD is equal to what? X into EF, and AD is equal to x into FB. Now we are this divided by the ratio of the base of the two triangles, AC divided by EB or CA divided by EB. So base means what? Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square root over, here the same. So we are here we are finding the value AD. AD means this one, we are putting the value of AD over here, and CD. CD means this one, we are putting the value of CD. Okay. So this, now x will be common and it will come out. So FB square minus EF square by FB square minus EF square, this will be cancelled. So x, that means what? This is equal to this is equal to this is equal to x. That means the ratio of the three sides, this by this, this by this, and this by this are equal. That's why this triangle is concurrent. So angle A, then that means this angle and this angle will be equal. So this is proved. Okay. So students, hope you understand this, and you can copy this sum. Okay, in your, and you have to practice. Okay, then you can easily do it in the exam. Now let us move to the next sum. Students, here the next category of sums. So in a given figure ABCD, the figure is given, it is a rectangle, that means it is what? The breadth and length. Okay, so here AC is given, BCA is equal to theta, that means this angle is theta, it is given, sin theta is given. Okay, so we have to find out what? The area of the rectangle ABCD as well as the perimeter. So what is the formula area? Length into breadth. And what is the formula perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth. So we will discuss in details when I will teach you the mensuration. Okay. So mensuration, now here it is given BCA is theta sin theta. So sin theta is equal to 8 by 17 is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So with respect to this will be perpendicular AB and hypotenuse will be what? AC. See, AC is equal to 17 given. That's why we don't have to find the we don't have to assume the common multiple, because it is 17 given and it is 17 written. That means no common multiple is there between these two numbers. Okay. So that means what? AC is equal to 17 centimeter and AB is equal to 8 centimeter. That means it is 8 centimeter. Clear? Now AB, this is a right angle triangle, that's why sin theta is given. So it is 90 degree. So it is what? So BC is equal to root over AC square minus AB square. Okay. So root over AC means what? 17 square minus 8 square. So 17 into 17, 289 minus 64. So root over 15. Okay. So it will be 15 centimeter. Now here as the rectangle, that means what? It will be also 15 centimeter, it will be also 8 centimeter. So that means what? Area of rectangle, what is that? ABCD is equal to length into breadth is equal to what is length? 15 into 8 square centimeter. 120 square centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD, 2 into what? Length plus breadth is equal to 2 into what is length? 15, breadth 8, 2 into 23, 46 square centimeter. So this will be answer. Okay. So this sum has come in CBSE board exams. So very simple sum. This is a rectangle. The diagonal rectangle is given. This angle is 90 degree. So this is sin theta is given. So sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given 17. So 8 by 17. That means no common multiple is there. Common multiple is there is 1. So what? AB is equal to 8 and AC is equal to 17. Now we are finding the value of BC. BC means what? This is the base. Okay. So perpendicular and hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, that we are writing. So it is coming 15. So this 15, this will be 15 the opposite sides, and this is 15, this will be also 15 the opposite sides. Then we are using the formula. Area of that rectangle ABCD will be what? Length into breadth, and the perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So very easy sum. So you can copy this. Okay. But very important one. So hope you have understood. So let us now move to the next sum. So hope you have understood this. You can pause the video, you can copy the sum, and again let us move to the next one. So students, here another sum. If the adjoining figure is given, so angle B is 90 degree, BC is equal to CD, that means this is equal to this, that means this is a midpoint, is 414. AD is equal to 10 centimeter. We have to find the, that means theta is given for this angle, for this triangle ABC. For this triangle theta is given, not for this ABD. Okay. So, but this is common for both the triangles. This is common. Okay, for both the triangles. So, from triangle what? ABD, the big triangle. Okay. So what? AD is equal to 10 centimeter and BD is equal to nothing but 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. So AB is equal to what? Root over AD square minus BD square. So AD means what? 10 square minus 8 square. So that means 100 minus 64. That means 36, that means 6. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So it is nothing but 6 centimeter. Okay. Now AC. So for this triangle, BC is equal to, so from triangle ABC, what we know? BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, BC is equal to 4 centimeter. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Just we have find. So AC is equal to root over what? This is hypotenuse. So AB square plus BC square. So what is AB? 6 square plus 4 square. So 36 plus 16. That means 52. 4 into 13. So 2 root 13. So it will be what? 2 root 13. Okay. Now what are you have to find out? Sin theta. Very easy. Sin theta. So with the respect of this angle. Okay, sin theta means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is with respect to this angle? What is perpendicular? CB. And what is hypotenuse? AC. So what is the value of CB? What is the value of CB? CB 4 by AC means 2 root 13. That means 2 by root 13. Now we are multiplying it, root 13 into root 13 into root 13. So that means 2 root 13 by 13. So this is will be the value of sin theta. Okay. Same cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. That means AB by hypotenuse AC is equal to, AB means what? 6 by 2 root 13. Very easy. So 3 by root 13. That means 3 into root 13 divided by root 13 into root 13. 3 root 13 by 13. So that is value of cos theta. Okay. So very easy sum. Clear? So don't be confused with the diagrams. So the bigger one, we are finding this value base. Base is common for the two triangle, and we are finding this value also. So ABC, this angle is 90 degree. It is base. It is perpendicular, and it is hypotenuse. Now we are finding the very easy sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. We are doing the calculation. So this is coming. So students, hope you understand this. Okay, and you can also write in your copy. Clear? So write things in your copy, and if you have any doubt, you can write me in comments. So this is the sum. You just copy. So let us move to the next one. Students, here another sum. What is given? 7 sin square theta is plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. We have to show tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Now here we cannot take perpendicular by hypotenuse or something like that, because it is given the sum of the two trigonometric ratios. Okay. So what is that? How to do? And this sum is also very important for the board exam. It already has come once. So 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. So how to do? 7 means what? 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta. We can write. Why? Because it is 3 cos square theta is given. So 3 and 4 and 3 means 7 plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Now 4 sin square theta plus 3 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 4. So this is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So 4 sin square theta plus 3 into 1 is equal to 4. So 4 sin square theta is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? So what do we know? Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That means 1 minus 1 by 16, 1 by 4. Sin square is given already. Okay. So 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Now what is tan theta? So tan square theta is equal to what we can write? Sin square theta by cos square theta. So what is sin square theta? 1 by 4. What is cos square theta? 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, omitting the minus sign. Proved. Clear? It is given. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is the proved. Clear? So again I am telling 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. We have to prove tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. So 7 we can split it into summation of 4 and 3. So 4 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta. So 4 sin square theta plus 3 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 4. So 4 sin square theta plus 3 into this is 1 is equal to 4. So sin square theta is equal to this is coming. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus 1 by 4, that means 3 by 4. So tan square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. So this coming. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. So this is the sum. Very easy. So hope you have understood this, and you should copy the sum for your and also practice. Only you are watching how I am doing. If you don't practice, then you cannot do it. That is sure in the exam hall. You have to practice and practice and practice. Without watching, practice. If you cannot do, then watch again, and then again without watching, you practice. Okay, so this way you can improve your skill. So that is the only way. Now let us move to the next sum. Students, now the next sum. Cot theta is given. We have to find out the value of that thing. So one traditional way you can do, cot theta is equal to what? Base by perpendicular, then we can let the common multiple be x, and then find the value of sin theta and cos theta, and then put the value over there and you can calculate. That is one you can do. I am doing it another way. Okay. So it is what? 2 plus 2 sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 2 minus 2 cos theta. Very good. So 2 common. So 2 common, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Here 1 plus cos theta into 2 common, 1 minus cos theta. So these two will be cancelled. So it is what? 1 a plus b into a minus b, then 1 minus 1 square means 1 sin square theta. It is a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta means what? Cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta. So what we can write? Cos theta by sin theta whole square. That means cot theta whole square. That means 15 by 8 whole square. That means 225 by 64. That will be your answer. Okay. So see, very easy sum. Without assuming the base by perpendicular, we are doing 2 common. So a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. 1 square means 1. 2 common, a plus b into a minus b, that means a square minus b square. So this is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. So cos by sin means cot. So cot square theta, value of cot is given 15 by 8. So 15 square means 225 and 8 square means 64. That will be your answer. Very simple sum. It also has come in the board exam. So students, in my next episode I will complete this chapter and we will move to the next chapter. Now I will give you some homework. You copy that and try to do it at home. So students, this is MCQ type, very simple sum for your homework, and also it will increase the practice habit. So I have given 13 sums. Okay. So first one is, if tan theta, you have to copy all the sums and try to do at home. In the next episode I will solve it. If tan theta is equal to 8 by 15, then cosec theta is equal to how much? The options are given, that means the answer is given. Any one of the 4 options, one will be correct. If tan theta is equal to root 3, then sec theta, very easy. So 4 options are given. Cosec theta is equal to root 10, then sec theta is equal to how much? 4 options are given. If sec theta is equal to 25 by 7, then sin theta is equal to how much? 4 options are given. If sin theta is equal to half, then cot theta is equal to how much? Again 4 options are given. Cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, then tan theta is equal to how much? 4 options are given. Now here, if tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, then sin theta plus cos theta is equal to how much? 4 options are given. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5. We have to find out the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. So 4 options are here also given. Now tan theta, 4 tan theta is equal to 3. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So 4 options here given, one will be correct. Now if 4 cot theta is equal to 3, then sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta is equal to how much? Again 4 options are given. If root 3 tan theta is equal to 3 tan theta, then find the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta. Again the 4 options are given. If cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1, then sin square a plus sin to 4a is equal to how much? Again 4 options are given. And the last one, last but not the least, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 0, then sec theta minus tan theta, then how much? These 3 options are given. Okay. So this is the homework. So all of you try to do it at home. Very easy sum. It will increase your confidence, and I will also solve that in the next video. So students, here this is your Arka Sir we are finishing this episode on trigonometry. So, we will meet in the next episode, episode number 4, with some more interesting sums and the solve of this homework. So, keep watching my channel and write in comments. Thank you.